Hello and welcome to this Crestron Fusion support video on web client security rights. When you first set up Crestron Fusion, the only personnel able to access Fusion is the administrator group, which is either defined by Windows Security or an admin account created by Crestron Fusion depending on your method of administration. Both ways have the same functionality, but do require slightly different configuration of web client security. There are a couple of locations where security rights can be adjusted. The first will be the functional security section. To get there, log into your Crestron Fusion web client. Then, click on the Open tab at the top and select the Setup page. At the bottom left, there will be three tabs. Click on the Objects tab and then select the Functional Security folder. This folder will show all of the policies associated with Fusion, along with what security groups have access to that policy. Currently, only the administrator group has access to any of the policies. Each policy briefly describes the permissions associated with it. For example, Perform Login dictates which security groups can log into the Crestron Fusion web client. To add a security group to a policy, either double-click on the policy or select the policy and then click Edit. If you are using forms-based security, then you can simply select the security group from the left and then click Add. If you are using Windows Security, then you will have to manually input the name of the domain group into the bar at the bottom of the screen. Notice the policies will only update once the browser is closed. But for now, we can keep editing security settings. Next, click on the Rooms tab at the bottom left of the screen. Towards the top, above your room nodes on the left, you will see a security button with a key icon. Click on this button. This will then show a screen that allows you to modify more settings for all the security groups. These settings determine what aspects of the monitoring page the security groups can see and edit, whether it is looking at nodes or rooms, or editing schedules, and so on. To modify these settings, click on either Allow or Deny for each security group. Once you are done, either click Save on each row or click Save All, and close the window. You can also edit permissions on a node or a room-specific basis by selecting the desired item. Now we will configure attribute permissions. These permissions are what allow or deny users to see specific attributes from the Asset tab in the monitoring page. To configure, first click on the Attributes tab on the bottom left. Then on the top left, above the folders, you will see a security button. Click on it. Similar to the last page, click on Allow or Deny for each group, then save the settings. You can also edit these permissions on a folder-by-folder basis. Users that are later added to a security group will inherit all of the existing security rights for that group. Thank you for watching.